Worldwide, oyster reefs, the abundance of them are down 80% of what they were in the early 1900s.
Oyster reefs in Texas are the only natural hard substrate we have in our bay systems. Each individual oyster can filter around 50 gallons of water per day. They provide habitat, they provide food, and they provide refuge for 303 different species.
You have to have healthy resources, but you also have to have resources that people can actually go and utilize.
You have healthy ecosystems, you have abundant fishing, you have more people visiting your town, spending their money. It's a chain that just keeps on going.
And then partnering with TxN by Nature, in the sense we're elevating it to a whole new level. The outreach and education we've gotten from that is teaching other people the importance of oyster projects like this.
We have to conserve these coastal resources that we have so that the future generations are afforded the opportunity to enjoy it as we have.